Hey, what's up, guys? This is the video for this Equinox filler number 1. Looking for top 3 spots, advance to the main. We are live. $213. $213. List here, 10 entries. Travis on the top, Matthew on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher, 8 times. $213. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. You got Jared, Mark, and Sam on the top. Gone 7. We must go 8. Good luck, Wish. Coming your way at $213. These things run really slow. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. $213. Last and final roll. Top spot, or top 3 spots. Advance to the main. Congratulations goes to Sam, Jared, and Travis. Congratulations, you 3. Please go ahead and pick your spots in the main in order you won. We're done at $214. Oh my goodness, my computer is so slow. Come on. What is going on here? 214. I don't know why it's going so slow. Sorry. Alright, well, congratulations, you 3. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.